Do you enjoy singing? How would you like to learn to be a better singer? What if it involved free vocal instruction in a relaxed group setting? The Mile High chapter is once again hosting Ready, Set, Sing. 4 hours of free voice lessons will be presented by expert vocal instructors. The program is open to all singers of all ages and will be hosted by the Sound of the Rockies and Timberliners choruses on Thursday evenings in October and November this fall. Just visit voicelessonsforfree.com for more information and registration. We hope to see you there.